Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Datepicker in HTML5. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to enhance your Datepicker by setting minimum and maximum dates to restrict the date selection within a certain range. This is a continuation of my previous video on HTML5 Datepicker. If you have not watched that, please feel free to go back and watch that video. I have provided the link for that video in the description as well. As you can see here, by default an HTML date picker provides a straightforward way for user to select dates, and user can select any dates from any months or any year here. There might be some scenarios in our real-time applications or websites development where we need to restrict users to select particular dates between a range. In previous video, we have made use of HTML5's input element, which gives us the date picker. To set the maximum and minimum date selection limits, you need to use the minimum and maximum attributes, which means min and max. Within these attributes, you can mention the date range. For example, for the minimum attribute within the double quotation, we can add the starting range of the date selection. For in this example, I will add 2021-10-05. As you can observe here, the first parameter within this attribute which we need to mention is the year, then it will accept the month, and the third one is date. This is the format which will be accepted by the date picker of HTML5's date picker. Similarly, for max attribute also define the date. For this one, I will mention as 2021-10-25. So now the date range is fixed, so the user can select date between 5th October 2021 to 25th October 2021. So let's save this one and go back to browser to preview this again. Now if I refresh the file, you can observe as the minimum and maximum dates are in this current month and this current year only. By default, it is showing the month selection is 10 only, and similarly year selection will be 2021 because user cannot select the dates other than these month and year. And as you can observe here, the minimum date which we have set is 5th of the October. So from 5th of the October to 25th October, the dates which falls within this one, only those dates are enabled here. The dates apart from these dates are disabled, which means user cannot select those dates. And even if you click on the drop down which is shown at the top, which is selection for month or year, that is also disabled here. This is a very useful function in real-time applications. In this example, we are directly adding minimum and maximum dates in these attributes of this input tag. Alternately, you can create a date object in JavaScript and assign those here as well. So that's purely depends on your requirements. Based on your requirements, either you can add directly here or you can create a date object and assign that date object here. So overall, setting this minimum and maximum dates can be useful in various scenarios such as booking systems, event registrations, or any applications where you want to control the date range. So that's it guys for this short video. If you have any questions, please put it in the video comments. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it with others and subscribe to my channel.